Today I'm going to show you two reasons why this turbocharger was throwing an underboost error and why the car had such a poor throttle response. Take a look here at the hot side. You can see a crack right on the wastegate valve seat. Because of this, exhaust gases were bypassing the turbine wheel. You can also see signs of a poor seal on the valve itself. Moving to the center section, look at the compressor wheel blades. You can clearly see some deformation here. This causes a serious shaft imbalance. Keep in mind that this shaft spins at speeds up to 200,000 RPM. That's why even the smallest bend is a huge problem.